Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks for joining me today. I just wanted to say first off, I apologize for my voice. I am a little sick or have allergies or something. I don't know what, but I'm not feeling the greatest. But today I am creating a few cards using this really beautiful stencil from Visible Image called Flower Ink. And then I'm going to use a stamp set that's from Visible Image called A Friend Like You. I'm only creating one of the cards on this video, and then I will have the other card as a short and a reel on Instagram. But I'm going to go ahead and take a piece of Bristol Smooth cardstock cut 5.5 by 5.5. I'm going to go ahead and tape everything down. And the colors that I'm using, I'm doing a rainbow today, so the colors I'm using are some Distress Oxide inks in Abandoned Coral, Carved Pumpkin, Mustard Seed, Twisted Citron, Salty Ocean, and Wilted Violet. And basically what I'm going to do, this stencil works out wonderfully because it has the negative space as well as the positive space. So I'm going to go ahead and lay the negative piece down, and then I'm taking that positive piece and I am basically just lining that up with the pattern on the negative piece, and I am going to just keep moving that back. So I'm leaving a little bit of white space, and then I will add a color, and then I will move that down a little bit and add the next color, just leaving a little sliver of space for that color to be blended into. And I'm going to go ahead and repeat this for all of the colors. And once I have kind of reached the center of the flower, I will then reverse it and go back and ink blend the colors again, starting in a rainbow order on the other side. And so you'll see I'll go ahead and use the other side of the stencil and repeat that same process, starting back over in rainbow order. And then once I've completed the rainbow order once, I will just go back and forth between the sides until it is completely filled in. And I think I had a dream. I've been dreaming about card making lately. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I haven't been feeling good, but super strange. And I'm pretty sure I dreamt about creating this card this way because I knew I had this coming up. And so I was like, it was just weird. Anyhow, so I'll go ahead and keep on my ink blending, and then when it gets really kind of small in the middle, I think I just take a little bit of yellow and just fill in the rest of the color. And then I'll take that positive piece and insert that back into the negative piece and add a little bit of kind of the center of the flower. So I'll be using some ground espresso, but I'm doing it really super light. I didn't want it to be overwhelming, and so I'll go over that really lightly with the ground espresso. And then there's a lot of little details around the outside of the flower, little kind of splatters and things like that. And so I'm just taking my blending brush and going around all those splatters with several different colors just to make sure that area is, sorry about that, all filled in as well. And then it is time for the big reveal and removing all of the tape and removing the stencil and seeing what the final result is. And I really, I love the way this turned out. I kind of wish that I did not add the stamp that I'm about to add. Not that it's not a great stamp. I just, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Would you have added the stamp or not? So I went ahead and I stamped this up. This is from the A Friend Like You stamp set. So I went ahead and added kind of that little flower in the center, and then the friend word is also from that same stamp set. And then I thought I'd go ahead and grab some gold stickles and put it on a piece of plastic packaging and watered that down. I'm going to make a little bit of splatter. This makes a really beautiful, beautiful splatter. So if you don't have any metallic gold or any kind of sparkly, shiny paint to use as splatter, this is a great alternative if you have any Nuvo drops or stickles or anything like that has a little bit of shine. And then I went ahead and matted this onto a piece of black cardstock that's 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. And then I'll show you the other card that I have made. I kind of like this one a little bit better. I like the little ladybug, and this is from the little Ladybird stamp set. And that's going to finish off my video for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did like this video or find it informative, I would absolutely love a thumbs up. As always, everything that I used today will be listed below. Thanks so much for taking some time out of your day to spend with me, and I hope to see you next time.